If you're using Pocket FM and you've ever reached a locked episode only to discover that you need more coins to continue listening, you are not alone, because in today's video, we will show you how to continue listening to Pocket FM stories without spending your own money on coins. Let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is open the Pocket FM app and log into your account. Now, find the audio book or audio series you want to listen to, then open its episode list. You will notice that some episodes are available for free, while others requires coins to unlock. Before spending any coins, scroll through the available episodes and check whether Pocket FM has made the next episode temporarily free. Pocket FM can also offer promotional access or other ways to earn rewards, so it's worth checking the app regularly. Pocket FM offers non-free episodes can be unlocked either with purchase coins or with coins earned by performing tasks and watching videos. You will notice that you have multiple options here. As you can see, you can earn up to 1,000 coins via the puzzles, games, and more. If you click on it, you'll be forwarded to a new page. You can simply take a survey and earn rewards, which will give you 247 coins. Click on it, what will happen is take the surveys and earn rewards, okay? Another option that you can do is go to the section that says play. All I have to do is play a specific advertised game or app. Let's say you wanted to try the 𝗣𝗂𝘅, which will give you 1,000 free coins. If you click on it, you just have to play the game and earn all those free coins for you. Now, the available tasks differ from country, device, and account and time. If you do not see an earning option, update Pocket FM, check my store section again, and avoid using VPN or proxy because offers can be region dependent, all right? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to continue listening to Pocket FM stories without spending your own money on coins. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.